Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately. Pick day-old bread so moisture is already lower, which saves time and yields better crumbs. Cut or tear it into 1 to 2 centimeter pieces so heat reaches every bit quickly. Place pieces on a baking sheet and dry in a low oven at 120 degrees to 150 degrees C for 15 to 30 minutes, flipping once. This removes surface moisture and prevents clumping later. Once done, let pieces cool completely so steam won't rehydrate the crumb before processing. Now you turn dried bread into crumbs. Work in small batches so the processor doesn't overheat and you control texture. Pulse in short bursts for coarse crumbs or longer pulses for finer crumbs. Grinding too long creates paste, so pulse then check. If you want a rustic crumb, use a box grater or crush by hand. Once processed, use a fine sieve to separate fine crumbs from larger pieces and any tough crusts. This gives consistent cooking behavior and prevents clumping in recipes. You finish by optionally toasting the crumbs briefly at a low temperature for extra crunch and longer shelf life. Make sure they're completely cool before packing. Pack into airtight jars or freezer bags. Pantry storage lasts weeks. Freezing preserves quality for months. If you notice clumping or damp odor, re-dry the crumbs at about 100 degrees C for 10 to 15 minutes and break them apart while warm. That single troubleshooting step fixes moisture issues and ensures your crumbs stay usable and crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.